Today we are going to discuss a question of fluid mechanics, and the question is: a hydraulic press has a ram of 30 cm diameter and a plunger of 2 cm diameter. It is used for lifting a weight of 35 kN. Find the force required at the plunger. And the options are given: 233.3 Newton, B 311.1 Newton, C 466.6 Newton, and D 155.5 Newton. So now let's solve this question. So first of all, we will draw a figure. So figure is like this. It is ram and this portion is plunger. So this one is plunger and this one is ram, and you can see that in the question it is given that there is a weight of 35 kilonewton on the ram. So here we put a weight of 35 kilonewton on the ram, and we have to find the force applied by the plunger. So first of all, we will write the diameter of ram, and the question you can see it's given 30 centimeter. So 30 centimeter, when we convert it into meter, it become 0.30 meter. Similarly, we write diameter of plunger, and it is given 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter, when we convert it into meter, it become 0.02 meter. After that, we will calculate the area of for the both ram as well as plunger. So area of ram, since the ram is cylindrical in portion, so area of cylinder is pi by 4 into d square of ram. So we will put the value here. So pi by 4 into, put the value of d square, that is 0.30 square. When you calculate, you will get 0.7065 meter square. Similarly, calculate the area of plunger. So it become pi by 4 into d square for plunger. So pi by 4 into d square, and here diameter is given 0.02 meter. So 0.02 meter square. So after calculating, you will get value 3.14 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. After that, by Pascal law, we know that by Pascal law, intensity of pressure is equal in all direction. So pressure on the ram is equal to pressure on the plunger. So we write here P of ram is equal to P of plunger. So when we calculate the pressure, so for ram, pressure is equal to force by area, we know P is equal to F by A, and for plunger P is equal to F by A. And by Pascal law we know that both are equal, so F by A of ram will be equal to F by A of plunger. So let's put the value of F on A on ram. So in question you can see that weight is given 35 kilonewton here. So 35 kilonewton divided by area, and area we have calculated for ram, you can see 0.7065 meter square. So we'll put the value here 0.7065 is equal to force on plunger we have to calculate, so we will write as it is, and area on plunger here we have calculated 3.14 in 10 power minus 4. So put this value 3.14 into 10 power minus 4. After that we can cross multiply, so F is become 35 into, when we convert kilonewton into newton, it's we will multiply by 1000 into 3.14 into 10 power minus 4 whole divided by 0.7065. So when you calculate this, with the help of calculator, you will get the value 155.5 Newton. So our correct option is D. So that's all. Thank you. Hope you like my video.